What's it say? Best birthday ever.
How do you feel being Uncle Paulie?
I'm good with it.
Well, just a second. I want to show you what he got me. Can you see me? Yeah. That's what I thought. I just got a phone call. It was kind of serious. It was Mariah, and she's pregnant.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, where's my phone at? Oh
She's been trying to call you all the time.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What? Mariah!